Alright, we're back for video number 3. I have now jumped from the top of the ellipse and hyperbola notes from Tuesday. I'm now down in the homework portion. We've already done a video on parabolas, we've already done a video on circles, and now we're looking at ellipses. Alright, that's what we're focusing in on here for video 3. If you're watching this in 4th period, I'm sure by now in class Ryan has already complained that we don't use calculators enough, and maybe another person's asleep in the back, but hopefully this video helps with ellipses. So let's take a look. Number 1 looks like a parabola, we'll skip over it. Number 2 looks like an ellipse, so we'll start there. How do I know? This term and this term. They have different coefficients and they're both positive. So you know this is an ellipse, but it's not in standard form, so we have to complete the square. So this is nice and ready for us to just say x squared minus 4x plus something in this box, but if we add something there, then we need to also add it over here. And then with the blue, we're going to do a little bit more. We're going to have to factor out a 9. Have y squared minus 9 times 6 is 54. I'm going to have to add something there, and then also here. Okay, so over in the red, half of 4 is 2 squared, so that's a plus 4 over here, so we're going to have to add 4 over here. In the blue, half of 6 is 3, 3 squared is 9, add a 9 there, but we don't put a 9 in this blue box, because we have to multiply it by that 9 first. It's actually going to be an 81 in this box. Okay, so our new equation is x minus 2 squared plus 9 times y minus 3 squared equals 81 minus 76 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So here's our equation, and we're almost done. Remember, with ellipses, bless you. Remember, my wife sneezed, sorry. Remember, with ellipses, you have to have it equal to 1. So I'm going to divide everything by 9. Divide this by 9, divide this by 9, divide this by 9. So our final equation is x minus 2 squared over 9 plus, these 9's cancel, so it's just y minus 3 squared over 1 equals 1. Here's our new equation. And let's go graph this. Okay? Our center is at 2, 3. 2, 3. Boom. It's going to go off our graph. This is going to be tricky. Our x-axis is a 9, which means 3. So that means the ellipse is longer than it is tall. It's 3 tick marks long. So 1, 2, 3 to the left, and 1, 2, 3 to the right. Because remember, the number that is under the x, so this 9 right there, that determines how long the ellipse is. This number right here determines how tall. So it's 1 tick mark tall. So 1 and 1. So this looks like it's kind of a long and slender ellipse like that. Okay? I hope that helps. With ellipses completing the square, the tricky part is having to factor out that number, and then remembering to multiply it again when you move it to the other side. Okay? But watch that video again. If it was too fast, that's the glory of technology. You can pause, you can rewind, you can watch this video 15 times if you want. Okay? But take your time on ellipses. At this point in the class period, you should be feeling good with parabolas, feeling good with circles, and feeling good with ellipses. Please next watch my last video on hyperbolas, and you will be ready for the conics portion of the test. Before we finish this video, let's go check in on the Bulls. Hey, 4th quarter just started. Bulls up by 11. We'll see what's happening. Is there a little magic in Chicago? The 8 seed upsetting the 1 seed. We'll see. Alright, that's enough of this. One more video to go.